Hey guys, so I just made it to the grocery store and I have a bonnet on. And I never wear a bonnet to the grocery store. Like, I don't think I've ever in life worn a bonnet to the grocery store. So, these white folks about to be looking at me like I am crazy, but I can't get my hair done because I'm sick and I gotta get washed and all of that. So, it's November 1st. We have to grocery shop, we have to stock up. Let's see how this goes. I have not worn a bonnet to the grocery store. This is gonna be interesting for me. And it's packed because it's the first of the month. Yeah. This one is nice. That's 98 inches? They do look small. They got the Christmas trees out.
What I do with that card?
You always gotta do the most. $1,700 at the grocery store. No EBT.